Today I'm in a motorbike show in Kilmarnock, and there's so many all classic motorcycles designed like this. So beautiful bikes, Harley Davidson, Indian, and this one is my favorite. This one is one of my favorite. I can say, look at the exhaust, and that's the air filter. So beautiful. Another Harley. There's so many Harley Davidson today. I want to show a bike that I saw around here, which is one of my favorites. It's basically, that one is an Indian, for example. This one is one of the rare bikes I ever seen. It's raining. I didn't expect so many motorbikes are coming today to the show. That's why I didn't come with my motorbike. I left at home. But yeah, there's so many bikers today. So many. Everyone is extremely covered with waterproof stuff. We are a bit curious about the Ardilla Loca right here. So we start to say goodbye to all these beauty machines. Harley, 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 Harley. Oh, how much money there's here. Just in all these bikes. One's nice. Alright, see you in the next video. Bye bye.